This is my shop, Aurelius Food Co. We sell fine olive oils and balsamic vinegars. There's a lot of talk out there about how you can't trust the quality of olive oils in grocery stores, and it's most probably true. A lot of times what they do is that they mix lower quality oils with just a little bit of nice oil and then sell it as the nice oil where you don't have what they're actually selling. So what I have in our shop is quality products that you could trust. Authentic, really high quality, they taste great, and they taste the way they should. Some of the things we have here that really separate us from any other store is this balsamic vinegar. It's aged 3 years, comes from a small producer I found myself when I was in Italy 3 years ago. I bring it in very small quantities and sell it to many top restaurants here in Ottawa. My other product, which really separates me, is my early harvest olive oil. We're currently sold out, but the new batch should be arriving by the end of January, and that's olive oil from where my family lives in Italy, in a small little community mill. I buy directly from the mill and bring it over myself, and many, again, of the top restaurants in Ottawa use it. What we like to talk about in the shop is pairing complementary flavors between oils and balsamics. We also have these flavored products which make that really great. So smoked hickory olive oil is a great example, paired with the pomegranate dark balsamic. Really makes for a nice base for a barbecue sauce, has some nice barbecue flavors. For any kind of dark or red meats, maybe some chicken as well. We also have some great rubs and dips and spices. So steak, the Dragon's Breath spicy rub for meats, also the classic barbecue rub, amongst others. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can reach out at any time. AureliusFoodCo.com is our website, and we ship nationally. Thank you.